Hey love, welcome back to my channel. It's Mal and we're doing a special wig review today because this is a brand new unit from Luvme Hair. Now this is the perfect everyday wig. I kid you not, this is the most comfortable wig I've tried on, and I'm going to tell you exactly why in a minute and show you. But for now, let's just look at this gorgeous hairline and pre-customized unit. I am in love with these glueless pre-done units because I don't know what the hell I'm doing. But let's go back to the comfort for a second because we have an adjustable strap at the back. You guys, this is so innovative. You can adjust the cap size to fit your head. It's going to fit small, medium, and large heads. It's completely hidden. And there's a band with that silicone texture. Now, Luvme's combined two of their most popular wigs, so this is kind of like a segue between the Airy Fit and the 7x6 wigs. It feels very light, but it's full. I'm just throwing my wig cap on and taking a look at everything being pre-customized, which I love again. No knots, pre-cut, and pre-layered. I want to see how it looks on. I personally always like to spray a little bit of lace tint on my wig. I use the color light medium brown and I just do a little bit, and then we're gonna just go on the tightest strap because I got a small head. Now for this next part, I want you to notice that there's actually no combs other than the comb at the back. So this makes the wig so comfortable, okay? I just put this on and it looks so good. And the other thing that's amazing about this strap is it's going to allow the wig to sit as flat as it can on your head. So it's going to look the most natural. You're not going to have to really worry about gluing anything down. This is the perfect everyday wig because it's so comfortable. We're not going to have to deal with any more headaches, you guys. This is life-changing. Okay, I'm back. I had to step away for a second and doll myself up a little bit. Like, this hair is making me feel so incredibly cute. So I just did a little bit of makeup. I'm gonna finish up the makeup and tell you guys what is so amazing about this wig. And I'm actually just back without doing anything to the hair. You might notice a bit of a difference in the lighting now because I turned off all my studio lights. I'm just using natural lighting and I wanted to show you how good this wig looks because if I'm being honest, the wig looks amazing in every lighting, but I know that regular everyday, nobody's walking around with a ring light. Should I put a little got to be just for fun? I really don't even feel like it's necessary, but you know what? Let's just do a really minimal amount. I didn't even look at where I was spraying it. I just sprayed it on. And then we're gonna just press it down a little. I feel like this will really make it like perfect. Just make sure that she's on how I want her. A little bit more at the front. Now for me, I've been a customer from Luvme Hair for years and I really like their units, but this is probably my favorite unit so far. Really honestly, just because it's so comfortable. Like, I can't get over how good it looks, how good it feels. This line of wigs from Luvme Hair was specifically designed for all day comfort. They've made them comfortable to wear for various head types, and they're naturally invisible without the embarrassment of your lace showing. They were also designed to be lightweight, natural looking, and breathable, which I definitely am feeling. This feels very lightweight. This one doesn't have any combs except for at the back, and it feels so comfortable, and it is snug. Like, this thing is not moving. But my favorite feature about this wig is that it has the adjustable head strap at the back, so you can change the size to fit your needs. And we all know that sometimes we don't do the best job of laying our hair down under our wigs. So if you have a little bit of a bulky situation going on under your wig, you can definitely just tighten that thing up and get it flat and to fit on your head. It's actually a 3-level buckle and it's kind of similar to like your bra strap. So you can take it out if you need more room or cinch it nice and tight so that it can fit small, medium, and large heads. The band at the back also has that grip slip, so it's really gonna help your wig to stay snug and in place. Make sure that grip side is down when you install it. Definitely gonna get one for my mom because she is so new when it comes to wigs. She really doesn't know what she's doing. And I feel like this would be the perfect solution for her because she also is not that great at taking off her wigs. She usually leaves them on for days. And we all know we need to take care of our scalps, so the breathable cap is gonna be a must for her. Let's not forget, it has that large parting space here, so we can do a side part, honey. We can do a deep side part, actually, if you really want to. Like, you have options with this wig. I love my middle parts personally, so I'm gonna keep it how it is.
2 hours later.
Okay, we need to talk about this because this thing has not budged and it looks so good. When my hair looks this good, it is time for a photo shoot. That's what this calls for. I think I'm either gonna wear this pink top or this gray one. I mean, I'm already wearing gray. That's kind of boring. I feel like I need a little life in this. So let's try on this pink one. Absolutely, yes. The pink top, it definitely just makes me feel like I have a little bit more life. Let's add some eyelashes. I do need to do some bottom mascara with these for sure. Okay, don't even play with me with this look right now. I feel so cute. Hold on, let me move back so I'm completely in the frame. This is so cute. I definitely need to add my little beauty mark. The makeup is slaying, but the hair is really what's inspiring the entire look. I feel like when you feel comfortable and you feel good, then you look good, and this is definitely giving me that full picture. I'm so happy that I was able to try out this new wig. This is honestly one of the most comfortable units I've ever worn, and that is huge for me because I am just an uncomfortable girl. Like, I cannot wear wigs all day sometimes. I just rip them off as soon as I get home. So this, like, I could really sleep in this. This could really be something that I just pretend is my hair and never take it off. I really want to thank Luvme Hair for partnering with me on today's video because they are one of my favorite hair companies, and I've actually bought their units for years now. I've been a loyal customer of theirs. I'm so excited that as my channel grows and as I progress, I'm able to partner with brands that I truly love. So I want to know your guys' experience with Luvme Hair. Let me know if you're feeling this new unit. I'm really loving it. So let me go take my little photo shoot and I'll see you guys in the next video. Oh, and don't forget to use my code because you can save some money on your purchase. You can save like close to $100. So I'll link that down below with all the details. Click the link when you purchase. It really helps me and my channel, and I'll see you guys soon. Single on the body,